Hey everyone, Judd Burden here. I'm super excited to announce that we've been working with our development team on getting the measuring area surface measurement tool put in place that allows you to save a ton of time by not having to go to parking lots yourself and do the measurements with rolling measure wheels and so on. So you can essentially type in an address. I'm just going to type in Costco for this video. You can zoom in on the property. It's super easy to start doing your measurements. You can zoom in as far as you want, and you can literally click your points of the parameter of the parking lot, which is awesome, all the way around. And of course we can do it all the way around. You could zoom out too if you want to do it faster. The closer that you're zoomed in, the more accurate the measurement will be, and you can actually adjust your pinpoints along the way as well, which is super cool, super handy. And I'm going to put a pinpoint in here just to bring it down around the building, as you can see. And then I'm going to throw another pinpoint here. And I'm going to throw another pinpoint in here. See, it's really, really effective and easy to measure parking lot areas and then to adjust it. Of course, I'm doing it really quick just for the sake of this video, but you can get very detailed. That just took less than a minute to do. And then, of course, you've got menu options down here, delete your last points, delete all points, etc. You've got your surface area calculation right here. And then you've got your supply calculator down below as well, which is super great to have to forecast your sealer. Our goal is to save you time, allow you to focus on closing more deals, and ultimately spread your wings and continue to fly and grow your business. Hope this helps. And again, feel free to reach out to us with any feedback, any requests, any wish list items. Let's get going. Let's grow all of our businesses. It's time to rock. Take care.